Hey there, welcome to this meditation to meet your business. The aim of this practice is to help you step back and begin to observe your business as something separate from you. Even though you may very well be the face of your business and the brand of your business, it is really beneficial to realize that your business at the end of the day is a separate entity that you work through and express through and serve the world through. But it is a standalone, separate entity. And when you are able to create and sense this separation between you and your business, it gives you perspective. It helps you see what your business's strengths and weaknesses are, and it can help you see what your business may need to become more successful. And it can even give you a better idea of what other people see when they look at your business, what other people feel, what they sense when they come in contact with your business. So let's dive in. You can sit or you can lie down, whichever feels more comfortable for you. And then feel free to let your eyes come to close. And take these first few moments to just get cozy. Beginning to sense the movement of your breath. Feeling how your body is receiving your breath. And inviting your body to relax and let go as you breathe out, settling into the present moment. You might even breathe out through an open mouth, letting your jaw relax and feeling the weight of your body dropping down into whatever is beneath you. And then take your breath a little bit deeper and begin to feel your belly rising with the inhalation and falling with the exhalation. Calling all parts of you home into the present moment. And then bring your awareness up to your third eye point and activate your mind's eye. And begin to look out through your third eye as if you're gazing right through your forehead and see a blank screen out in front of you. It may appear as black or white or some other color. Focus in on this screen. And begin to call forth the energy, the essence of your business. As you call forth your business, intentionally connect with it and notice what you begin to see through your mind's eye. Be open, curious, and receptive. Your business may appear as a ball of energy, or an animal, or some other object that symbolizes what it is. As your business begins to take shape in your mind's eye, notice what it feels like to observe your business from this outsider perspective. How do you feel as you connect to your business? Does your business appear as successful? Does it give off a successful vibe? Observe your business from all angles. So you may want to walk around your business, look at it from above and below. Take in as much information about your business as possible. Continuing to be receptive with whatever comes through. And then lastly, ask your business directly, what do you need? What do you need from me? Take a few more breaths being with your business, receiving any messages it has for you. And then slowly begin to release the image of your business. Bring your awareness back fully into your body. Take a deep breath in, feeling your belly expand. And a complete breath out, letting your whole body relax. Integrating whatever you received from this practice. And know that you can always return to this practice, and you will likely experience and see something completely different. So take a moment and consider, what observations do you want to bring with you? What insights did you glean? And then bring one hand or both hands to rest right over your heart. Take a deep breath right into your chest. Full breath in through the nose, if you'd like side, out through an open mouth. Thanks for joining me to experience your business as a separate entity from you. Have a beautiful rest of your day.